Huh. Oh. Where could my darling be? He's been missing since yesterday, and I miss him oh so dearly.
Your Majesty, I just spoke to the scouts, and they say the king was last seen headed toward Drizzle Peak Mountain, where the dragon lives.
Ah, the dragon, of course. That wretched lizard has kidnapped my sweet gumdrop. Bring me the knight.
Yes, Your Majesty. Bring the knight!
You summon me, my queen?
Sir Soxalot, you must rescue the king from the clutches of the beast that drizzle Pika Mountain. And do not return until he's safe.
At once, your filliness. I shall smite the scaly scoundrel with valor and moderate grace.
Oh, please do. I shall wait here.
Fear not, my liege. I'm coming to save you. Charge! Ah, you rolled a 6. That was my last unicorn night.
Ha!
Oh.
You almost had me that time.
Unhand the king, you foul beast!
Oh, a visitor. Did you bring any snacks?
Sir Soxalot, what are you doing here? I came to rescue you, your majesty. The queen feared you were in danger. Rescue me? I'm on my weekly playdate. What? Blazefeather here is my best mate. The queen never lets me have any fun. It's always royal business this and stop juggling crumpets.
So we hang out, play games, watch sock operas. You want in?
Wait, you weren't kidnapped? Oh, heavens no. I just needed a break. Please don't tell the queen. She'll make me do 3 weeks of ribbon cuttings.
Ew, how boring.
I know.
This is why I live the single life.
So, what do I tell the queen? Tell her I was bravely defending the realm from dragon influence. And I won.
Ha! You lost 3 rounds.
I'll give you a raise if you keep this between us. My lips are stitched, your majesty.
safe.
Very, Your Majesty. He tamed the dragon with his charm and bravery. Quite a sight to behold. He should be back before lunch. Or dinner, depending on how many rounds he loses.
What was that?
Nothing, Your Majesty.
Very well. He always was good at winning creatures over.
All right, Blaze Feather. Double or nothing.